Majumdar and I'm here to help you make the right choice. Today I'll be unboxing both Rockerz 245 V2 wireless headphone. Now let's talk about the packaging first. It comes in a bright red, very colorful packaging. Inside the box you will get headphone, extra earbuds, one charging cable.
They come packaged in a lovely box with additional earbuds, charging cable and a user manual and warranty card. The earphones are equipped with 12mm ultra audio drivers that provide a clear, crisp sound quality. The neckband fits snugly and also helps support the earphones when they are not in use. The mic delivers superior quality audio and has toggle buttons that makes it super convenient to answer calls and change the volume. You also get up to 8 hours of immersive playtime with one charge. The earbuds have magnetic tips that also make storage convenient. These earphones look and sound great and seamlessly connect with your phone's Bluetooth for an incredible hands-free experience. I have to say I'm quite impressed with these Bluetooth